Hello there, welcome to our channel Long Lives Again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial today, and today I'll be showing you how to uninstall the Google Chrome on your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to uninstall the Google Chrome on your computer, first open the run prompt or hitting the keyboard Windows plus R, and this kind of run command prompt will open, where there first you'll be required to enter the same text as before. Control panel, enter control panel over here, type in after you have pressed Windows and R button on your keyboard on your computer and click on OK. Then you will be redirected to this page where you can see uninstall a program option available over here. Click on uninstall a program, and on this page all of your software will be available, and you can see the Google Chrome. If you want to uninstall it, just right click over there and there is the uninstall button. Click over there and you will be required to go through the uninstallation process of Google Chrome. But for now I'll not be uninstalling it because I use it very much, so and it's of use to me. And guys, this is how you uninstall your Google Chrome. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching guys. Peace.